Welcome to Our Family B.
I'm Brandon.
I'm Brigitte.
And we've got big news.
Big news. In a couple months.
We have an announcement. Oh, wait. We have an announcement.
In a couple months.
What? You're... What? You're gonna be moving to a new house with us all together. We're not pregnant. That's not a thing.
No, I am not pregnant, but we do have to move. The people that own our rental property are selling, so we kind of don't have a choice.
They're selling all their properties in the area, so they're not renewing our lease, so we're looking for a place to live, which means lots of ideas for content from this one.
So what we're gonna do is have a lot of decluttering videos. We're trying to simplify, minimize, get rid of stuff, because I don't want to move a bunch of junk needlessly.
I don't like moving lots of stuff, but I like having things, so we're different in that way. But you love me.
I do. And we're not getting rid of everything, but we do want to simplify, and so we have a lot of videos coming out about every area of our house that we're going to be going through. We're going to be making sure that what we're moving is actually what we want to keep.
What we want to keep.
What we want to keep.
It means I can want to keep things too, and it's okay.
I'm not getting rid of all your stuff.
Okay.
So we've got some decluttering videos. We've got some tips and tricks on how to move successfully.
Yes.
Simply.
Yes.
Efficiently.
I like that one. Systems. Cleaning process.
Yes. We did move here a couple years ago, and we came up with some systems. Well, you came up with some systems.
It was a team effort. It was color coding.
Yeah, there's color coding. And it makes it a lot easier for people that are helping.
True story, because we're not paying a moving company. This is all like church family and friends.
Yeah. So we got some tips and tricks for you. And also, we're going to be giving you a house tour of our current house. And also of our new house.
Which we don't know where it is yet. So
yeah, we don't.
Yeah, we don't know where that is yet.
We're also going to give a house tour and how we're going to set up and organize our new place.
Yes.
I like to organize.
A lot.
Yes. So that's what we've got.
Okay, so...
That's our big announcement. We're moving!
We're moving! We're moving! You guys need to know anything else? I'm the funniest.
Okay. Yes. And I'm gonna help you. Give you tips and tricks.
Me?
Tips and tricks.
Tips
no,
and
no tricks.
No, you're helping me?
Helping you.
Me.
Tips and tricks.
Or them?
Them.
Oh, you.
And you.
She's gonna help you. And me. And me also.
You're gonna benefit from it.
I'm not good at this stuff.
No. He's a systems person.
I mean, I can make it for people.
I'm a systems person for things.
For things. She's good at the things. I'm not good at the things.
No. You are good at the things.
I'm good at the things.
Certain
I'm not
things.
good with the things.
He is great at packing a U-Haul, though.
I've moved a lot in my life. There's a thing. There's a story. Maybe we'll tell a story one day.
Yeah. We should do story time.
We should do story time. Do you guys want to hear story time? If you want to see us do story time, in the comments below, tell us what kind of stories you want to hear.
So, if you're excited about what we have to come, like this video, comment down below. Also, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the future content we have coming out. And make sure to hit the notification bell.
Yes, hit the bell.
Also, visit us on our blog at ourfamilyb.com.
There's a blog, Our Family Be Blogging. Oh, Instagram. You should follow us on Instagram at Our Family Be Social. That's also where you can find us on Twitter. Do you guys use Twitter?
We would love to connect with you on Instagram, so head on over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to get to know you. And listen, if you have any tips or tricks for moving, hey, we are all ears.
I'm also like mouth and nose. We're all ears.
Dad jokes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye. We done.